In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all. Welcome to Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School Taif. Dear students, today lecture depend on extra knowledge about food and a balanced diet. I hope you understand this chapter. Now here you see. Who needs nutrition? Rocks, plants or humans? Rocks are non-living things. Plants or humans are living things. So non-living things do not need nutrition. Living things need nutrition. So plants and humans are living things, so they need nutrition. Nutrition depends on nutrients. Substances in food that your body needs to grow, repair itself, and supply you with energy. See here, carbohydrates and fats give you energy. Protein helps to build up and repair your tissues and muscles. Minerals and vitamins work like a safeguard in our body and they fight against the germs and disease. Water is an essential for our body. So all these nutrients are very important for our body because carbohydrate fats give you energy, protein helps to build up and repair tissues and muscles, minerals and vitamins fight against disease and germs, and water is an essential for our body. So all these nutrients are very important for our body. Here you see the image of healthy food or unhealthy food. This is the image of healthy food and this is the image of unhealthy food. If taste-wise, we see these kinds of food are very tasty, but it totally depends on fats, sweets, and sweetened drinks. But healthy food depends on fruits, vegetables, carbohydrates, protein. So these kinds of foods are good for your health. But these kinds of food just make you fat. So you must be eat healthy food and avoid unhealthy food. Because healthy food is good for your health, unhealthy food is not good for your health. All living beings need food which provide the necessary nutrients so to survive, thrive, and grow. Your food give you energy and helps in growth. So if your food is healthy, so they give you energy and helps in growth. But if your food is unhealthy, so they just make you fatty. So you must be choose healthy food. Components of food. Before we get into detail of food and nutrition, we need to learn that water, fiber, and nutrients are the three important components of food. Each of them have their special functions. Water is very important for our body, fiber helps in digestion, and plus nutrients. So if anyone asks you which are three important components of food, you must be know that three components of food are water, fiber, and nutrients. Nutrients means carbohydrates, protein, minerals, fat, vitamins. So three important components of food are water, fiber, and nutrients. Keep remember. Components of food. 70 to 72% of our body is made of water. So kids, you must consume at least 8 glasses of water in a day to flush out toxin and keep your organs functioning smoothly. So how many glasses of water you drink in a day? At least 8 glasses of water you drink in a day. Fiber. Where you get the fiber? You get the fiber from fruits and plus vegetables. So fiber is very important for your body. Fiber helps in digestion. So you must be eat fruits and vegetables and get fibers. And must be drink at least 8 glasses of water. Nutrients and functions. There are 6 essential nutrients. Protein builds muscles and a strong immune system. Carbs means carbohydrates, including starches and sugars, are give you energy. Fat give you extra energy, but it make you fatty also. Water gives cells shape and acts as a medium in which body process occur. Vitamins and minerals regulate body process. So there are 6 essential nutrients for our body. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means carbs. Carbs are the body's most important source of energy. They help your body use fat and protein for building and repairing tissue. You should consume maximum of this food group, but there are good carbs and bad carbs also. So which kinds of food include in good carbs and which kind of food include in bad carbs? Let's see. Carbs to eat, it means good carbs. Apples, bananas, pineapples, sweet baked potatoes, brown bread, oatmeal, pasta, chapati. So these kinds of food are called good carbs. And bad carbs, sweet cereals, juice, sweetened juices, pizza, noodles, too many biscuits, sweets, white bread, cookies, cakes. So these kinds of food are included in bad carbs. So you must be try to eat good carbs and avoid bad carbs. So students, you must be aware that which kinds of food are included in good carbs and which kinds of food are included in bad carbs. So your apples, bananas, pineapples, sweet baked potatoes, brown bread, pasta, chapati are included in good carbs. But sweet cereal juice, sweetened juices, your pizza, noodles, too many biscuits, sweets, white bread, cakes, cookies are included in bad carbs. You must be eat good carbs and avoid bad carbs. Protein. Proteins are like your Lego bricks. They are essential requirement for the human body. They are one of the building block of body tissue and can also serve as a fuel source. So protein is very important for our body. Where you get the protein? You get the protein from green vegetables, from nuts, from dals, and from dairy products. So these kinds of foods provide you protein. Protein work like Lego bricks in our body. They are very important for our body. Uh, they serve as a fuel source in our body. So where you get the protein? You get the protein from green vegetables plus nuts, dals, and dairy products. It is very important nutrients in our body. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are like the soldiers of our body. They protect you from disease and infections and help the organs grow and function properly. So your vitamins work like a soldier in our body because they fight against infection and disease. First of all, first kind of vitamin, vitamin A. Vitamin A used to form hemoglobin, which is an important component of your blood. Lack of hemoglobin will cause you to feel tired, and vitamin A is also needed for kids to grow strong and healthy. Where you get the vitamin A? See again, same. Vitamin A you get from green leafy vegetables, from carrots, fruits like oranges, pumpkin, tomatoes. So these kinds of vegetables and fruits provide you vitamin A. And vitamin A is very important for kids. And vitamins are work like a soldier in our body. So vitamins and minerals are also very important nutrients in our body. Vitamin B. B vitamins are actually a group of vitamins and are individually named from B1 to 9 and then B12. They are some of the most important vitamins in our body and the lack of them can cause serious problems like fatigue, memory loss, irregular growth, and so on. So, where you get the vitamin B? You get the vitamin B from bananas, potatoes, cheese, yogurt, nuts, pulses. So, these kinds of food provide you vitamin B. And vitamin B is very important for growth. Lack of vitamin B cause fatigue, memory loss, irregular growth, and so on. So, dear students, you must be eat yogurt, rice, nuts, cheese, pulses. So, these kinds of food give you vitamin B. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for strong bones and teeth. It helps in keeping infections away as with healing of the body. It contains antioxidants which keep our skin, gums and muscles healthy. So vitamin C is important for strong bones and teeth. Where you get the vitamin C? You get the vitamin C from these kinds of fruits and vegetables. These kinds of food called citrus fruit tea. So these foods provide you vitamin C, and vitamin C is good for our bones and our teeth. And these are the sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D. Without this important vitamin, our body will not be able to absorb calcium, which is so important for our bones. Sunlight is the most important source of vitamin D. So dear students, you have to spend at least some time playing in sunlight because sunlight is the source of vitamin D. And vitamin D is very important for our bones. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is like a tonic for the skin. Get a lovely glowing skin by eating foods rich in vitamin E, like sunflower seeds, almonds, peanut butter, vegetables, oil. So these kind of food provide you vitamin E. Vitamin D is also very important for your bones. Where you get from sunlight. So you must be spend some time playing in sunlight, and vitamin E is also very important for you. Where you get the vitamin E? You get the vitamin E from almonds, peanuts, butter, vegetables, oils. So these kinds of food provide you vitamin E. Again, we revise vitamins. Vitamins are like the soldiers of our body. Keep remember. Vitamin A very important for you. It is used to form hemoglobin, and if it is very important components of your blood. Lack of hemoglobin will cause you to feel tired. So vitamin A is very important for you. Where you get from green leafy vegetables, from tomatoes, from fruit like oranges. So vitamin A you get from these kind of food. Vitamin B, you get the vitamin B from yogurt, from brown rice, cheese, apricot, nuts. So these kind of food provide you vitamin B. And vitamin B is also very important. Lack of vitamin B cause fatigue, memory loss, irregular growth, and so on. So you must be use these kinds of food to get vitamin B. Vitamin C is very important for your bone and plus your teeth. For your bones and plus your teeth. And these are the sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D, sun is the best source of vitamin D. You just try to spend some time to playing in sunlight. So you get the vitamin D from there. Vitamin E is important for your skin. Where you get vitamin E from almond, from peanut butter, sunflower seed. So these kind of food provide you vitamin E. Fats. Fats like carbs provide energy to the body. In fact, fats provide twice as much as energy and calories in comparison with carbs, but is a very tricky food group. You should consume least of this food group or else you will become fat. So eating too much of it can cause more harm than good. So better beware. Uh, which type of food provide fats? Peanut butter, ghee, butter, nuts, and oil. You just try to avoid these food. Dear students, did you know honey is the only food that does not spoil? If anyone asks you any food does not spoil, so you must be know that honey is the only food that does not spoil. Just enough for you. You keep remember, honey is the only food that does not spoil. And where the honey found? Honey found in the tomb of Egyptians. So this taste this taste invented by archaeologist and found eatable, and then he decided the honey is eatable, and honey is the only food that does not spoil. Vitamin A is known to prevent night blindness, and carrot are the best source of vitamin A. Sugar: half of the world population live on a staple diet of rice. So rice, half of the world population live on a staple diet of rice. So rice is also very important. Peanuts are used in manufacture of dynamites. Interesting. Peanuts are used in manufacture of dynamites. Spotted bananas are sweeter with a sugar content of more than 20% compared with 3% in a green banana. So spotted bananas are sweeter than green banana because spotted bananas are sweeter with a sugar content of more than 20% compared with 3% in a green bananas. So dear students, I hope you understand this chapter and plus this extra knowledge. So you just must be keep remember, inshallah on Sunday we will start a new chapter. I will send you the notes of unit number 3 and plus test sheet. Okay students, best of luck.